Australia is a vast and diverse country, boasting everything from iconic landmarks and cities to serene beaches, rugged outback, and lush rainforests. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or cultural immersion, Australia offers a variety of destinations that showcase its natural beauty and rich history. Today we're exploring the top 10 best places to visit in Australia, each offering something unique for travelers. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe for future videos. Thank you. 1. Sydney. Why visit Sydney? Sydney, the largest and most cosmopolitan city in Australia, is famous for its breathtaking harbour, iconic landmarks, vibrant cultural scene, and world-renowned beaches. The blend of urban sophistication and natural beauty makes Sydney a must-visit destination for any traveler. At the heart of Sydney is the world-famous Sydney Opera House, an architectural marvel that has become a symbol of the city and Australia. Visitors can take guided tours, attend performances, or simply enjoy the scenic views of the harbour. Adjacent to the Opera House is the Sydney Harbour Bridge, another iconic structure that offers adventurous travelers the chance to climb to the top for panoramic views of the city. Beyond the landmarks, Sydney offers beautiful beaches like Bondi Beach, where visitors can swim, surf, or relax on the golden sands. The historic area of the Rocks is perfect for exploring Australia's colonial past with cobblestone streets, markets, and heritage buildings. 2. Great Barrier Reef, Queensland. Why visit the Great Barrier Reef? The Great Barrier Reef is one of the most famous natural wonders of the world and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Stretching over 2,300 kilometers along the Queensland coast, it is the largest coral reef system on Earth, and is home to an astonishing variety of marine life, including vibrant corals, tropical fish, turtles, and dolphins. For travelers, the reef offers some of the best snorkeling and diving experiences in the world. From Cairns, Port Douglas, or the Whitsunday Islands, visitors can take boat trips to explore the reef's colorful underwater world. The Great Barrier Reef also provides opportunities for activities like sailing, fishing, and helicopter tours for an unforgettable bird's-eye view of the reef. 3. Uluru, Northern Territory. Why visit Uluru? Uluru, also known as Ayers Rock, is a colossal sandstone monolith located in the heart of the Australian outback. Standing at 348 meters tall, Uluru is not only a natural wonder, but also a sacred site for the Anangu people, the traditional custodians of the land. Its striking red color changes throughout the day, offering unforgettable sunrise and sunset views. Visitors to Uluru Kata Tjuta National Park can walk or cycle around the base of Uluru, explore ancient rock art, and learn about the indigenous culture through guided tours. Nearby are the Kata Tjuta, the Olgas, another remarkable rock formation that is equally awe-inspiring. 4. Great Ocean Road in Victoria. Why visit the Great Ocean Road? The Great Ocean Road is one of the world's most scenic coastal drives, winding along Victoria's rugged coastline for 243 kilometers. It offers breathtaking views of limestone cliffs, pristine beaches, and lush rainforests. The most iconic site along this route is the 12 Apostles, towering limestone stacks that rise dramatically from the Southern Ocean. In addition to the natural beauty of the coastline, travelers can visit charming seaside towns like Lorne and Apollo Bay, hike in Great Otway National Park, and explore historical landmarks like Loch Ard Gorge. The Great Ocean Road is also home to a rich array of wildlife, including koalas, kangaroos, and native birds. 5. Kangaroo Island in South Australia. Why visit Kangaroo Island? Just off the coast of South Australia, Kangaroo Island is a haven for wildlife and natural beauty. The island is famous for its unique ecosystems and is home to native animals such as kangaroos, koalas, sea lions, and penguins. Much of the island is protected as national parkland, making it a paradise for nature lovers. One of the highlights of Kangaroo Island is Flinders Chase National Park, where visitors can marvel at geological formations like Remarkable Rocks and Admiral's Arch. The island's remote beaches and pristine landscapes provide a peaceful retreat from the mainland, while its burgeoning food and wine scene adds to its appeal. 6. Whitsunday Islands in Queensland. Why visit the Whitsundays? The Whitsunday Islands, located in the heart of the Great Barrier Reef, are a tropical paradise made up of 74 islands. With their turquoise waters, powder white beaches, and vibrant coral reefs, The Whitsundays are a dream destination for beach lovers and snorkelers alike. One of the most famous attractions in the Whitsundays is Whitehaven Beach, often ranked as one of the best beaches in the world due to its silica sand, which is so fine it feels like powder. The Whitsundays offer a range of activities from sailing and snorkeling to bushwalking and island hopping, providing plenty of ways to explore this idyllic region. Tasmania, Australia's island state, is known for its wild and rugged landscapes, rich history, and burgeoning food and wine scene. The island is home to a number of UNESCO World Heritage-listed wilderness areas, making it a haven for outdoor adventurers. One of the top destinations is Cradle Mountain Lake St. Clair National Park, where visitors can hike through alpine terrain and spot wildlife such as wombats and echidnas. Tasmania also has a rich cultural heritage with historical sites like Port Arthur, a former convict settlement, and Hobart, Australia's second oldest city. The island's artisanal produce, including fresh seafood, cheeses, and wines, makes it a culinary hotspot as well. 8. Daintree Rainforest, Queensland. Why visit the Daintree Rainforest? The Daintree Rainforest in Queensland is one of the oldest and most diverse rainforests in the world, estimated to be over 135 million years old. It is part of the wet tropics of Queensland, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and is home to an extraordinary array of plant and animal species, including the endangered cassowary. Visitors can explore the rainforest through guided tours, hike through lush tropical landscapes, or take a cruise along the Daintree River to spot crocodiles and other wildlife. The rainforest meets the Great Barrier Reef at Cape Tribulation, offering a unique opportunity to experience 2 World Heritage Sites in one location. 9. Fraser Island, Queensland. Why visit Fraser Island? Fraser Island is the largest sand island in the world, and a UNESCO World Heritage Site, known for its unique landscapes, including vast sand dunes, rainforests, and freshwater lakes. The island is a popular destination for four-wheel driving, with 75 Mile Beach serving as both a highway and landing strip for small planes. Fraser Island is home to crystal-clear lakes like Lake Mackenzie and Lake Wabi, perfect for swimming, and the famous Maheno shipwreck, a rusting relic that adds a touch of history to the island's natural beauty. Visitors can also spot the island's native dingoes, one of the purest strains of the species in Australia. 10. Barossa Valley, South Australia. Why visit Barossa Valley? The Barossa Valley is Australia's most famous wine region, located just outside of Adelaide in South Australia. The valley is home to some of the country's best wineries, including Penfolds, Jacobs Creek, and Wolf Blass. The region is renowned for its world-class Shiraz, as well as other varietals like Cabernet Sauvignon and Chardonnay. In addition to wine, the Barossa Valley offers gourmet food experiences, with farm-to-table restaurants, artisan cheesemakers, and fresh produce markets. The scenic vineyards in charming towns like Tanunda and Engastone provide a relaxed setting for visitors to enjoy wine tastings and explore the region's history. Australia's top destinations offer an incredible variety of experiences for travelers, from the vibrant city life of Sydney to the remote beauty of Uluru and the natural wonders of the Great Barrier Reef. Whether you're seeking adventure, culture, or relaxation, Australia's diverse landscapes and rich history provide something for everyone. With its world-class attractions, unique wildlife, and welcoming people, Australia remains one of the best travel destinations in the world. Thank you for exploring the best places to visit in Australia with me today. Please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel.